Hey guys, Mr. Shaw back again to finish up here. This next thing talking about inverse functions is that it says that two functions f of x and g of x are inverse functions if and only if I plug in g of x into f of x, I get out x, and if I do g into f of x, or sorry, f of x into g of x, I also get out just x. Okay, now again, that might seem strange. It kind of works out. It ends up working out. All right, you just will get used to it. So again, you're going to plug g of x into f, and then f into g, and see if they both give you x, and that's it. All right, let's do a couple. All right, so here are my two. Again, I'll do f of g of x first. So here we go. So I'm going to take g of x here and plug it into f of x. So it's going to be 2 times 1/2 x plus 4 minus 8. So distribute here. So 2 times 1/2 is just 1, and then so it'll be just x. And then 2 times 4 is 8, so plus 8, and then minus 8. Okay, and 8 minus 8 is 0. So f of g of x just equals x. Okay, so check on the first one. All right, let's do the next one. So again, you're going to do, this time I'll do g of f of x equals, again, take f and plug it into g, so it'll be 1/2 times 2x minus 8 plus 4. So distribute your 1/2. Half of 2 is just 1, so just 1x, and then half of 8 is -4 plus 4. -4 plus 4 is 0, so g of f of x equals x. All right, so we're good. So these are inverse functions. All right, let's do one more example. All right, so again, determine that if the two functions are inverses of each other. All right, let's get to it. So first I'll do f of g of x. So it'd be 2 times, again, this is all under the square root, so the square root of x plus 1 over 2 squared minus 1. Okay, so now first thing I have to do is evaluate the square. Now whenever I square a radical, the radical just cancels. Okay, so this is going to be equal to 2 times x plus 1 over 2 minus 1. So you notice that again, I squared it, so it's canceling out the root or the radical, and the radical is gone. Okay, now here you do 2 times the fraction, and then just the 2's cancel. So now I'm left with x plus 1 minus 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0, so f of g of x just equals x. Okay, good to go there. And then the last one, so g of f of x this time. So I will do the square root, whoops, lost my parentheses. So the square root, that was bad, I can do better. So the square root of, so instead of x, I'm going to write all of this, so it's going to be 2x squared minus 1, again that's all just for x, now plus 1 all over 2. So -1 plus 1 is 0, and then 2 divided by 2 cancels, so now it'll be, lost my parentheses again, okay, so it's going to be, so this is going to be the square root of x squared, and the square root of x squared is just x. So again, there you go, g of f of x equals x. So these are inverses of each other. All right, and that's all I got for you guys. All right, see you in the next one.